Hi, I'm George Preston with Action Coach. Today on the Physics of Business, we're going to talk about quantum statistics and how it describes the modern rules for your business. Now, we have spoken about the physics of business before, but today we're talking about quantum statistics, which are almost 100 years old. Now, there's two types of quantum statistics. One is what is called fermions. They're the particles we're most familiar with, and they're only allowed to be in two states, either up or down. These particles occupy a certain place at a certain time, and nothing else can be in that same quantum state at the same time, as in the Pauli Exclusion Principle. The second type of particles are called bosons, and they are described by Bose Einstein statistics. And there's no restrictions for how many can be in a quantum state at the same time, and they have three possible states: 1, -1, or 0. These explain certain things like superconductivity and superfluidity. Now, both were developed about the same time in the earliest 20th century. But fermions became the prevailing wisdom. Everyone thought about that because it resonated with normal people, normal things like matter. So what does this have to do with business? Well, Fermi-Dirac statistics started to inform our approach to business throughout the 20th century. Remember, I said two states: win, lose. This is the approach that capitalism started to be associated with. By the way, it's not a definition, as some people have incorrectly stated, but it was informing our view of capitalism. In the modern world, though, there's a broader worldview of bosons with three states, as I said. That can inform your business decisions as well. I win, you win, and we both win. And remember, there is no limit to how many can occupy that winner quantum state. I am the only business philosopher and coach that I know of as talking about Bose Einstein statistics. However, this is not a new idea. For example, in economics, and as espoused by Brad Sugars of Action Coach, it's a scarcity model or an abundance model. In scarcity, you have a winner and a loser. In the abundance model, there is everyone can be a winner. Now, the basic approach of scarcity, that there only exists a finite amount of resources, and the less abundant a resource is, the more valuable it is. Think of this example. There is a pool that's filled full of money, and everyone jumps in to pull out the coins, and when the coins are gone, they're gone. That's the scarcity mentality. The abundance mentality says that although there's coins in the pool and people can go in to get it, we might be able to create a machine that puts more coins in the pool. We might be able to create a ramp to make it more easily accessible to people to get those coins in the pool. The point is that it's no longer a win-lose mentality, it is a win-win type of mentality. And remember, this is an important shift of consciousness from scarcity to abundance. So here in the 21st century, we're thinking about this abundance model because we can create value and create more to go around. Think of it this way. When Malthus in the 1700s talked about limitations to where we can grow, we have proven that to be incorrect now for some 400 years. Now, other business philosophers and strategists also are talking about the same sort of thing, namely James Carse and Simon Sinek, with their approach of the infinite game. The infinite game has no winners or losers. You either move ahead or move back. So when your business vision, is it informed by scarcity, that is the Fermi-Dirac statistics, or is it informed by abundance, the Bose Einstein statistics, where there is infinite capacity for abundance? You need to decide. If any of this resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you need help with your vision, creating abundance, or your business growth, reach out to me. I'm George Preston with Action Coach.